Looking for a relaxing restaurant that serves delicious food near Dumaguete Airport? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Dumaguete. WYP Restaurant of Unwind Boutique Hotel Dumaguete is located at Captain De Leon Drive, Buñao Road, Dumaguete City. It is just nearly 1 kilometer away and 4 minutes drive from the airport. Tara na't kumain na tayo ng masasarap na pagkain tulad ng Unwind Express worth 545 pesos. It has crunchy pork belly, shrimp, and squid mixed in a creamy coconut sauce. Next, ang Chicken Sizzle worth 360 pesos. It is a mouth-watering chicken fillet marinated in Asian-style sauce and hickory barbecue sauce. Meron ding pinakbet wen manong worth 260 pesos, Gambas al Ajillo worth 350 pesos, honey mustard wings worth 370 pesos, chorizo quesadilla worth 270 pesos, at watermelon shake for 160 pesos. At kung gusto nyo ng kakaibang dessert, try their flaming halo-halo for 300 pesos. You can share this with your friends. At if gusto nyong maligo sa pool, you can avail their day trip by messaging them on their official Facebook page. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid, and we explored a relaxing restaurant that serves delicious food near Dumaguete Airport. WYP Restaurant at Unwind Boutique Hotel, Dumaguete. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!